Fam MB Will Killer Gain Trading Crypto. We're gonna do a live today. We're gonna talk a bit about Bitcoin on the macro. We're gonna talk about the US 500, DXY. We're gonna talk about some altcoins, some buy zones, some trading opportunities. So I'll be talking about a lot today. It's gonna be a great show, just as usual. Please put those thumbs up if you can hear me. And let the music go, and we will be starting in a minute. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome everyone. I'm still sick. I don't know what it is. These headaches, it just doesn't stop. But it doesn't stop me from doing my thing. So we'll just keep it going. It's better than yesterday. So guys, welcome all. What do we got over here? What do we got? Let me see what I got. We've got Daft Brick. Good morning. Early. Tony Mel, what do we got? ADC. El Floranio, Mario Peters, the truck driver Mario Nobre, Gilles, we got Gracias, GP, Reguy, Tamora, Abracadaniel, Alpimon, I hope you're getting better, bro. Carlo, what do we got? ADC, got Gerson, Francesca, hey, bro. Let's see, what do we got over here? We got Morpho over here, Lena, Nawako, Lars. The Duke, Kaufman is over here, Amos. What do we got? Okay, guys, let's just start it. Welcome all. Okay, so let me start today, guys. It's a bit more educational, and then we're gonna talk about some altcoins. So a bit of education, so you guys will be prepared and you can better understand me when I share what I share, why I share. So it's very important that you guys focus on this stream. Focus what I'm gonna explain you guys now at this moment. Just please focus. It's very important what I'm gonna show you so you can understand the charts that I share also. There's always a story behind what I share. I don't just share a chart because I'm just feeling like doing something. No, there's always a story behind the chart, and I want you guys to understand that. So, first of all, this is the Bitcoin chart on the 3 months, just like I tweeted. And what you guys need to understand about this Bitcoin chart is that this line, these dots, is every time when a candle of 3 months closes. So then you get this dot, and I wanted to show you guys how it's looking. So look at this. Look at this. This is on the monthly. So let's just be honest to ourselves. If you think that Bitcoin dumped or Bitcoin is down or whatever, this chart is showing that we're just accumulating in this box. So you see this box over here. This was our previous highs, and we're just, if I would take it over here, you see where we are? We're just over here. This is technically very bullish. So this is not bearish, this is bullish. Because I'm seeing some comments about people, oh my God, we're going down, we're going to dump down. No, no, no. That's that's another story. I will explain when I'm bearish, when I'm bullish. It's just pure technical where we are. So if you think that, I'm seeing a lot of posts from retailers that are leaving crypto, and who can blame them? They are just totally wrecked on their altcoins, because the altcoins, they are over here in these regions over here at the bottom. That's where altcoins are. So retailers are getting totally liquefied. But for the Bitcoiners, we're still at very high levels. We're not at low levels. Look where we are. You see where we are? So it's altcoins that are getting totally liquefied. And that's why retailers are leaving crypto. And it's very sad, but if these retailers would follow me for years, they wouldn't be wrecked. They would be in gains, and they would be checking this chart so they can make even more gains. But that's another story. I'm not going to talk about that one, how the marketing machine is killing all those retailers online, but I've said enough about that. It's now really about the macro. So for now, we have to check this one. Look, this is, in my opinion, for now, still bullish. We're not bearish yet. We're only bearish if we break down over here. And then, well, you can tell me, well, MB, you predicted past time that we went below the 50K. Yes, I did. But this is different. I will go to that one in a second. So look at this one. These charts with these dots, lines, they give me a very clear side of where Bitcoin is and what's going on. And as you guys can see, we're still also on the weekly. We're just holding and traveling in this box over here, and this is still bullish. It doesn't matter how everything is looking. This is still bullish. But I'm gonna show you guys something to be very scared of in a moment. But this also shows you that we bottomed out at 55K. Well, MB, that's not true. Let me show you guys. Ta-da! Over here. This was that spike down over here. We hit, let me lower it down. We hit the 48K, 49K. This is what we hit past time. But this has been bought up very fast. So when you put it on the line, you'll not see it. You'll not see that spike. So this chart gives you really a clear sight from where Bitcoin is without the scammy dumps down and up and down, because this shows you really where Bitcoin is at this moment. And this is where we are at this moment. So for now, what I'm eyeing is the most bullish case. The most bullish case is that we're going to hold this line over here, 57K, or we're going to hold this 55K level. And you have to understand what I'm explaining now. It could happen that we will drop down to the 48K and make a double. But that would be only a spike. So I'm talking about this chart. This This is, by the way, guys, not for leverage trading, not for short-term trades. This is just showing you on the market, on the bigger picture, where we're going. So this is especially for the hodlers and the Bitcoin believers that don't own any cash and are only in Bitcoin. So this is really for them. So this over here, this is going to be very crucial. But let me show you guys something else, something to be scared of. Look at this. This is the US 500 on the 3-month chart. Look at this. Yeah, we wish that Bitcoin had the same chart, but just look at this. Look at this, guys. This is something, this, you know, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This scares me. This makes me so scared. This scares me so much. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. You know, what I'm looking for is this. This is what I'm eyeing. I'm eyeing this one. This one. And I'm eyeing, where is it? This one. And I'm eyeing this one. See what I'm eyeing, what I'm looking for, and this one, of course, but this was a big one. So I'm eyeing these ones. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. And look where we are now. Just look where we are now. Just look at it. Look where we are. So we had this one, this one, this one, this one. There's nothing over here. And look at this move up, this move up over here. Look at this move up, look at this move up, look at this move. We, at some point, there is coming a circle over here. It's going to happen. If the circle will be over here or it will be over here, it doesn't matter. It's going to happen either way. So we're gonna get these moves down. It's going to happen. And now comes the most important part. If you understand this, if you see this, you should also understand why I keep buying the blood and selling the resistance. I keep buying the blood, selling the resistance. I keep buying the blood, selling the resistance. I know that I'm about the only one in whole CT that does this, but I'm also the only one when altcoins are 95% wrecked. You see me laughing and being happy on Twitter, while the rest is crying or hiding or not posting anything. That's the difference. You know, I care about my money. I'm not stupid just buying in and waiting, hodling and seeing red, and every time the coin goes lower and lower. So it's, you know, I'm waiting for this and please, guys, love your money. Love your money. Don't risk your money, because when this is going to happen, this circle, when it's going to happen, it will create a lot of blood, guys. And I explained you guys in the previous streams, we at least need to come back at a 48. At least this over here. Suppose that something like this will happen. So boom. This is when you want to deploy and want to hodl. When this thing does like this, that's when you'll be financially independent. Because I'm not talking about the US 500, by the way, guys. I'm talking about crypto, our altcoins, Ethereum, Solana, whatever altcoin you want to buy over there. I'm just trying to explain you guys how it's looking. It's looking so bad. So it's for now, what we need to do is just do as we have been doing all year long. We trade, we buy, we long, we short, we buy blood, we sell the bounce, and we keep building our portfolio higher and higher and higher and higher. And I know, like, the team is making huge gains on shorting meme coins and etc. But I'm not talking about that one, how we make the biggest money trading along the wheels. I'm really talking now about the serious people, especially the ones that are highly invested, a lot of money in crypto, how they can manage to be profitable. And that's what I'm showing you now, because this thing is curving now. You see this curve? This is on the 3 months, guys. It's curving, and these moves are going to happen. And I understand that the elections are holding this from dumping. I understand that, but at some point this is going to happen, and it's over here when you want to buy. It's over here where you want to buy. It's over here when you want to buy. It's over here when you want to buy. And possibly if this thing comes down, it's over here where you want to buy. And not, look at this. This is something to be very scared of, guys. And I understand if someone is tuning in, telling me, well, wait a minute, MB, you're over here, you're telling us a lot of about the US 500, but we're over here for altcoins, for crypto. Guys, stop it. Please just stop it. I'm showing you guys. I'm explaining you guys. You know, I can also do like this. I just go on Twitter. I'm not buying yet. I'm not buying yet. I take profit, and you guys will have no clue why I'm saying that. I'm explaining you exactly why I think what I think. So this is looking super scary. So this is where we are, guys. This is where we are. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, let me get back to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, let me put on my candles. So for now, let me put on the daily. For now, as you guys can see, the US 500 is still ramping up. These guys are really crazy. But for now, let me put on my Indie, guys. The ones that traded this one yesterday and shorted this one, I saw a lot of P&Ls. Congrats, guys. Congrats. You know, guys, you know, I'm making retailers so much money that believe in me, that act based on my education, and it's really mind-blowing. And you know what the beautiful part about trading is that the title of this stream is, by the way, how to make $1,000 monthly trading. You know, $1,000 is nothing. $1,000 is nothing if you really know what you're doing, and you focus on not losing trades, and the winning trades will happen. They will come. It's just you have to be patient. Go trust the indicator, and sometimes when you did your analyze, you planned, you believed in strike hard. Don't be afraid. Strike hard. Because that's when fear is in the markets, that's when you'll be making the most gains. And yesterday, this was beautiful because this box came together with the indicator. And when you see liquidity levels coming together with the indicator, that's super. That's the striking phase. When you strike, you just strike hard. So now what we're seeing this thing coming up again, but that really has to do with the markets are ramping up again. The US 500 is pushing. It keeps pushing. Let me show you guys on the candle so you guys understand what I'm saying. Over here, let me show it here, over here. They push. It's really mind-blowing. You got this dump. This was the NVIDIA dump, just like predicted also. Again, this was that dump from NVIDIA earnings. And now it's ramping up. It's just ramping up. It just doesn't want to slow down. These bulls at Wall Street, they're really sick. These guys are really sick over there. The only thing they do is they ramp it up. So let me show you guys another chart. This is a very important chart to check. Let me put it on the weekly first, and then we're gonna slow it down. Okay, we had this level over here of support. We went below it and now we're bouncing off from it. But the DXY, guys, this thing especially, you know, if this thing comes back into the blue box, if this thing dumps down to the blue box, you guys going to see a lot of big, huge P&Ls. That's when the real shorts will get opened, and really the team will open up huge shorts on several assets. Let me just tell you that. So for now, we're holding this line. So this over here. So we're holding this line over here. Let's see if this thing gonna hold. I expect this thing to come to this level. So if we will hit this level and get rejected and come back again, this will be the time that we start opening some longs on our crypto altcoins. So for the bounce plays. But if this thing comes back to this blue box, that's when the real big money will come in play. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep this in mind. Let me go show you guys another chart also. Why not? Why is this not like this? Let me open up Yes, yes, yes. Let me show you guys another one. Let me show you guys my green, my green, my green, my green, my green. Look at these Bitfinex shorts. Look at them. Look at them, look at them. They're opening up shorts. We're traveling over here. Just watch out for these spikes. Let me go to the dominance. What's going on over here? This is also not something you want to see. Look at this. We had you see this? Up. We got this rebound retest of the indicator, and this was exactly when we opened all our shorts over here on Bitcoin, just like I explained in the stream yesterday. So now we're just traveling over here, and let's see what's going to happen over here, because we might break it up, and if we break it up, more blood. But if we're gonna get another test over here, that's when we'll see that thing. So let me see over here, same thing. I want to reach these levels. I don't know why the freak those wheels don't want to. This, guys, this is your signal for a possible long on several assets that are bullish and having some nice volume. So I want this thing to reach this one. I don't know why they don't want to reach it, because we had this breakup, retest. This was where we made that money, and now we're just traveling. So for now, it's really trade very, very low time frames. We need to wait what's going to happen over here. Are we going to get rejected again? Are we going finally to reach this level? And this level, we really need to get rejected over here. If we don't get rejected, guys, if this thing just breaks up and goes to this one over here, it will cause a lot of blood in crypto. Let me tell you that. So let's all pray together that we will reach this level and then get rejected, because this is when you're gonna make money opening up longs on several altcoins. So it's over here and on Bitcoin, etc. So this up and then over here down. If you really have no clue what I'm saying over here, if you don't understand a crap from what I'm saying, I suggest use the links below, Blowfin or Weex, join the free private group, education, watch my trading course vids, and get the MW indicator. Because this is what it's all about. Okay, guys, I think I've said enough for today. We're gonna do altcoins. I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds to ask questions. You can also ask questions. It's not only altcoins. Share your altcoins. I'm gonna share some of my altcoins, where they are. I'm gonna share some BTC pairs, and I'm gonna find myself a nice cigarette for now. So guys, start sharing, push some likes, please, if you like the alpha. there we are. Solana. I'm seeing Solana. Yeah, let's do some charting about Solana. You know, they've got this like three or four invitations I've received about this Singapore event. They really want me to get there. And I don't know if I'll be going. I really don't know. They keep sponsoring me to come and join them over there. I really have no clue what will I be doing over there. I really don't know. You know, sometimes I think to myself, why don't you just go? But you know, what am I going? Suppose that I'm at the Singapore event, and then what am I going to do? What is someone going to tell me what I don't already know? You know, I know, guys, I'm a sick fuck, I know. You know, going into a plane like 20 hours, I don't like planes, by the way. Going to, I don't know. Okay, well, Solana with this event going on, you know, all those famous, the biggest influencers in the world, they're doing everything they can to shield Solana. And they keep doing it over and over again. And, you know, I just don't get it. You know, Solana, they have very great, great fundamentals, but there are a lot of altcoins that have got great fundamentals. I don't understand why they all are shilling Solana to death. Why? I just don't get it. But either way, no matter what, let's just do the charting. Solana versus Bitcoin. This will show us what those wealthy VCs are doing. Are they willing to pump up Solana even more? Well, for now, what I'm seeing is they're just chopping around. We've got also this support level over here. But if you want Solana to go up, we need this candle to... we need this to break up. If you really want Solana to make big moves up, this is where it's gonna happen over here. This is where it's all going to happen. So for now, if you're bullish on Solana, maybe if those influencers can push it up, more shillings, etc., maybe Solana will get a breakout here. If this breaks out, let me put on my alarm. If this thing breaks out, it might be a long trade. But for now, well, let me check Solana Ethereum. Solana Ethereum made a new high, which is very, very bullish in my opinion against ETH. This is really mind blowing. Solana is showing Solana is destroying Ethereum. It's just what it is. Solana is destroying Ethereum, and if those maniacs keep doing what they're doing, Solana will be very, 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 very strong if this thing breaks up again. So this is a chart. My alarms are set. So if Solana goes further over here, it will push Solana up. And let me show you guys Solana. Well, over here we got this rejection. If we will, but you know, a lot of times when those whales start ramping up Solana, what they do is they dump it down first. The same people that you see that are very bullish on Solana, that you see on Twitter, that you see on YouTube, those are the same people that will dump Solana down, guys. Please don't live in a dream. But if it gets over here, this would be this gray box over here, just like this one that has gotten filled. This one is your entry. This is your entry to trade Solana into the event. So what is this? So everything on 130 to 110. This is your entry on Solana to make a nice bounce trade. And if that FOMO hits in, maybe you can make some money on Solana. So that's about Solana. Solana, what do we got? What do I got over here? 18th of September can be a big dump Forex Factory candle. Possible. You know, I don't GPI. What I do is I take it day by day. I'm on the charts like 16, 17 hours, 18 hours a day. So I make my own calendar. I make my own calendar and I decide for myself when to be bullish and when to be bearish. I don't care about all those events and this and that. I just trade what I see. I do focus on what's going on fundamentally, but the charts always show me what to do. COS, ADA, and SUI. Well, SUI. Let me explain you guys something about SUI. SUI. You guys, everyone that knows me, follows my, you know, a SUI is a coin. We had this rump up. But I told you guys, as long as there are a lot of sellers on a coin, I'm not interested in it. And, you know, we had this rump up, but this is just, how to say it? This was just to get, I've explained this a lot of times. When you got a lot of sellers, what they do is they create FOMO. They release the marketing machine. They make you believe that SUI is going to the moon. And exactly when you jump in is where they dump on you. This is the whole game is built on this. That's why you need to be smarter. You need to know what you're doing. You need to see through them. That's what I'm trying to educate you guys. I'm trying to educate you guys how you can see through all those shilling, scammy. I'm going to teach you guys how to see through them. Don't let sentiment. They create sentiment. They can make you believe. They are the ones that are creating your sentiment. So they are the ones that are showing you when to be bullish, when to be bearish, and that's wrong, because when they rule your sentiment is when they will wreck you. Don't let them decide for you if you have to be bullish or bearish, because it's just how it works. It works the same on everything in the media. They rule you. They decide what you think. They are creating, making you believe what is good, what is wrong, what is bad. While the facts is a whole other story. So please don't get stuck in the matrix. So for now, SUI, we're bouncing off over here, but you know, SUI, I'm only interested over here at the 45 cents or lower. So this is where I'll be interested in SUI, and I'll not touch this thing anything higher. I just don't care about that one. So let me go to the next one. Anchor, Mozart, very good one. I love Anchor, and I think that Anchor, there are a lot of people not talking about Anchor. Well, Anchor is really a great project. So I'm very interested in Anchor. I love Anchor. Let me show you guys. As you guys can see over here, Anchor is one of the few that didn't reach my gray box. And I'm pretty sick of it, to be honest. I wanted to get filled on Anchor. So Anchor, I missed Anchor over here. I didn't get filled. Maybe I was a bit too greedy with my gray box, but you know, it is what it is. So Anchor, I'm still waiting for the gray box to hit. And maybe I will higher up my buy orders a bit to the 20 cents regions. So not maybe, definitely. I will be rising it up to 20 cents and buying everything until the 18, 17 cents. So Anchor, I'm pretty bullish on Anchor. I really love Anchor. Anchor is fundamentally a very, very great project. Let me one moment, please. Let me check on that tokenomics. Let me check how is it looking. One moment, please. Let me check on Anchor. Anchor is really a very, very undervalued coin. Anchor, what's going on, Mr. Anchor? Yes, it's looking really super good. Yes, Anchor. My alarms are set, bro. I will be buying Anchor. So on every drop, if it comes down to here, this region's over here, 21 cents or below, I will buy Anchor. I really love Anchor, by the way. Thanks for sharing. Engine, I want to talk about Engine also. Why is Engine so important for me now? Because if this Solana thing in Singapore or whatever, Engine likes to follow Solana. So if Solana starts ramping up, Injective starts ramping up also. So first of all, let us look against Bitcoin, how it's looking. You remember this? I think, you know, I really loved if people that are, especially the new ones, you remember how I was warning you guys over here. So you're Injective. This was exactly when the marketing machine was making like 24 hours a day, shilling Injective to the moon. And this is when I was telling you, you see the white lines, you cannot see it over here because this was a black chart, but there are two lines over here. Listen, look, if I would make them black, you see where they are? I'm not creating them. Here they are. You see, here are my black lines. I made these black lines. I was warning you, get out of injective. Don't follow that FOMO crap. But either way, now, where are we now? We're now over here. This is where we are over here. So injective, if Solana and the Singapore thing will create some FOMO on Solana, injective will probably follow. So to be honest, I'm bullish on Solana on these levels. If we'll hit this one, I'm against Bitcoin. I'm bullish on injective. I think that we can make some nice money on injective. Let me put it on my. Let me put it on. Oh, you see, it was all over here already. It was all over here, and we're back in the box. So we're back in the box. Injective, yes, this is really strong. So everything, guys. Injective, keep an eye on this one. Keep an eye on this one. Thanks for sharing also. Who was it? Mario Peters. Yeah, so injective, everything on the $16 to the $12. Let's just say everything from 16 to 12 or $13. We make it a big over here. So everything over here is a buy, in my opinion, DCA buy. So injective, yes. Let me put on my alarms. I also set some buy orders because I don't have any buy orders, and injective haven't been charting it for a while. So thanks, Mario, for pointing this one out. So guys, you're doing great today. You're showing me a lot of altcoins that could be a possible nice buy very soon. So injective, guys, yes, I think that injective is also a very good one. So you guys are doing good. Okay, let me go to another one. That's because we have to focus on the coins that are Solana related with this Singapore thing coming up. Another one is Arweave. So let's do Arweave. Let's do Arweave. Where is my Arweave? Where is my Arweave? Arweave. And I know that my buddy will start shilling Arweave to death. So let's see Arweave. Let's start with this one. Arweave. Let me put, where's my indie? Getting rejected. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3. This indicator is really sick. Okay, let's see. Let me remove it. Okay, let's see. What do we got over here? What do we got? Arweave. Arweave. Why? Arweave. This one, no. We got a nice block over here. This is it. I was looking for it, guys. Guys, I'm doing live charting over here. So I'm just doing so you guys can educate and do the same like I do. I'm looking now for some support levels. And this is how I'm looking for support levels. This is my style. This is the support level. So we're in it now. We're holding this line, but this is versus Bitcoin, by the way, guys. So Arweave, let me put on my, oh my God. If Arweave will reach these levels over here, guys, this is super bullish. This is when you buy. This is when you don't fear, don't be afraid, just buy. Just buy. Let me see, where is my Arweave chart? There is no Arweave chart. Let me look for my Arweave chart. Arweave. Let me check my Arweave chart. How is it looking? It will be a mess. Well, we didn't reach the $11 MW, so this one was also not fun. Oh my God, how is this looking? What is going on? Look at this, reject. Oh my God, this indicator. Okay, well, let's Arweave. Everything in this box is a buy over here. So we're going back into these levels over here. So this comes together with the BTC pair, guys, that I just explained. So we need, what is this? We need like another 25% down. Great buying opportunity. So I think that Arweave, if the Solana thing will start ramping up, Arweave, everything below $80 is a buy for me until the 13, $14. I will be buying heavy. If this box gets hits again, the lower it goes, the more I buy. So Arweave also want to keep an eye on, guys. Arif. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see. What do we got? We got. Let me see. Joseph Francesca, how much money I need to have in Weex to join your free program? It's, you know, the team requires a $500 deposit, but it's not only about that five. That's a minimum. Okay, let me say this. Let me say this so you guys can be all clear what I'm going to say now. If you don't own the funds, so if let's just say you've got a couple of $100, 200, $300, maybe $500 to trade with. Please, guys, do not trade leverage, because you will not be successful, or you have to be really, really good. And you know, I can make a lot of money with $200 leverage trading, but I'm a professional leverage trader. But that's something I cannot teach you in a week or 2 weeks or in a month. It takes time to teach you that. But it's most of you guys will probably lose that money. So if you've got like 200, 300, $400, it's very simple. You can just use the links below. I will give you the indicator and just buy the blood on altcoins on spot, or just use very, very low leverage like 5x and very small amounts from which your liquidation levels will be very far away. That's something I can also, that I educate that, but there is no need to come in with 200. You know, there is, I'm not going to name any names, but you guys all know him. He did, like, what was it, 1 or 2 years ago, when it was exactly when I predicted the fall of Luna. Those guys, there's one guy, he lost a lot of money in Luna. What did he do right after it? He partnered up with Bybit, and then he shared, like, I'm gonna teach you guys, I'm gonna make you guys $1 million with $300. You know, I destroyed that guy on Twitter, and I did everything together with my retail fam, everything I could on Twitter to warn retailers that this is one big scam, and you guys will all lose a lot of money following that crap. And he was going live showing people with $300 how they're gonna make $1 million. You know, I would put in $1 million to bet him, and he would only have to, I would tell him, listen, if you can make $1 million with $300, I will give you another $1 million. But if you don't, you just give me $100. I would take that bet with him, you know. And you know, you have to get out of that dream. You have to get out of the dream that you're going to get rich leverage trading with a couple of $100. It just doesn't work like that. What you can do is you can start trading, educating yourself, training yourself with very low amounts. That's no problem. But if you think that you're going to get rich with $200-300 leverage trading, there is a 99% chance that you will lose that money. So my advice, I'm no financial advisor, but my advice is, when you got small amounts of money, just buy the blood, sell, start trading on spot or on very low leverage. But don't think that you're going to get rich. If you want to make the big bucks in leverage trading, you need money. You need money. So I'm not selling you any dreams. I'm selling you reality. You know, the team, I'm going to be honest, the team, they like just what that guy did. They don't care. Just let them deposit $500 and just get them in the free private group and let them trade, because the more they trade, the better it is for our commissions. Bro, I don't give a damn about those commissions. What I care about is that retailers don't get wrecked leverage trading. So please, guys, I keep repeating myself. Do not think that you can get rich with a couple of $100 trading leverage. It just doesn't work that way. So that's about that. And about how to get into the free private, very simple. The team checks, and I also check what the team is checking. When you're trading just on decent volume, so meaning that you're really a serious trader and you've got a little bit of experience in trading, we can see that. And when we see that your volume is really decent, it's above 100K, that's when you will get access to the free private. So that's it. We can see if you are a serious trader, a serious, not some scammer just trying to get in to get some signals to sell them in paid groups. So we are eyeing that. So okay, so let me see. Sui token unlock on Sunday, could dump some more. Yeah, just keep in mind top dog how it works. I made a video about this, by the way, in a free private. Those unlocks, you have to see it like this. When we're closing in on the unlock, that's when you'll probably see the price go up instead of down. And when that cools down and the funding rates gets better, that's when the price will dump. So be very careful about that. Yes, I know. Tamara Morfu, yes, I know. There are a lot of trading course vids that are not released in the free private. I'm always forgetting about it. I will be adding them very soon. How much work do you need to make? Let's see. I already explained that, Jane. Good morning. Nobody, I really want to join in. I've felt many times. Yeah. You know, Artie, it's you know, I'll be explaining in a lot of it. Please tell me I can join here. You're not gonna make 1 million from 300. No, I know you're not gonna make it. You know, it's just people just I attack people for that, and I just don't get it. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to sell you. What I'm selling you is this. You have to be a trader that's focusing on not losing money, and you have to do it the smart way. And I know that I share for months a 100% winning streak, but you have to know how to leverage trade. If you don't know how to leverage trade, if you make just one small error, or you just interpreted one of my trade setups that I gave you, you can get liquidated while we are making money, making gains. You have to understand that. If you don't know how to leverage trade, it's very dangerous, because any small move down could liquidate you. And I understand the team, they're just focused, just let them trade and this and that, but that's not my style. That's not what I do. I don't want any retail blood money. I'm in here to educate you how to make money on leverage trading, and I want you guys to be successful. I don't care about any money from, I'm getting, guys, I'm getting so much offers. I'm getting so much money offered to shill meme coins, NFTs, leverage trading, tricks, scams, whatever. I never took one dime out of those guys, because I'm not in here to take money from retailers. I'm here to try to make you money. But if you follow me on Twitter and the free private, you know that already. Let's see. We're gonna do 2 more coins, guys, and I like these questions also, guys, because this will help you the most. I'm gonna do some coins that I'm liking, guys. So when I say I'm liking, I like to go to my list, and I have to update my list, by the way, because you guys are also showing me a lot of altcoins. Let me first of all go to VeChain. VeChain, here you are, VeChain. I'm getting some messages from people, yeah, well, VeChain is a dead coin, is this and that. Well, I don't care. I know VeChain for years. I've been with VeChain for a couple of cycles, and VeChain always delivers, always makes me money. So VeChain, guys, VeChain, I bought this, by the way, made a lot of money over here, because when I buy VeChain, I go in pretty heavy. So I made really nice gains on this one, just like shared, just like explained. So for now, if VeChain comes back below the 20 cents, I'll be buying. So everything below the 20 cents, I'll be buying. And let's do NEAR again, because NEAR is also in my top 3 coins. Back in the box is a buy opportunity for me. I took profits. Very nice profits. I love you, NEAR. Thank you very much. Thank you for the money that you made me. Thank you very much. 70% up. I took 54%, and this was also a huge bag. This was a huge bag, guys. I'm not telling you this afterwards. I made a live stream and I explained you guys. I told you just buy the freaking thing, and I'll be buying big. So I told you guys over here. I'm going to buy big in the gray box. I told you. Not only on NEAR, I told you on many altcoins. I think that's also why you guys are in this live stream, because you don't want to miss out on the next opportunity. So this thing comes back. It's the same, just like I'm saying. So I took profits, and I'll be loading up very big over here, because I told you we could be heading into a double. If you put it on the daily, look at this. This is a double, guys. one, a back, a boom. Oh, I have no crystal ball. I don't know if it's going to happen, but if it's going to happen, I'll be there. Let me show you guys GLMR. GLMR is so super wrecked. I just buy everything below the 15 cents. I just don't care. I just don't care. Let me go to Cody. Cody, we're heading into this possible double triple. So everything, if my alarm goes off, I'll be buying this crap. It's just that simple. This I saw yesterday, Flux had a pretty dump. Fluxy is just a matter of time. Just let my alarms go off. It's fine. Everything below the 50 cents is just a buy for me. Buy, 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 buy. You know, buy, 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 buy. And this one, I want to show you guys this one. Where is it? Where are you? This one. Guys, I've been saying this now for months. Keep an eye on Ash. Something is going on over here. Look, 14 star DCA. I got a hit over here on 14. You know what this bounce was, guys? This bounce was 57%. It's money. So Ash, everything below the 14 cents. I'll be buying. Link, same story. Come back below the 10 bucks, buying. And then Velo. A lot of people are talking about Velo, MBK Velo. What is it with this Velo? What's going on with Velo? Can someone explain me what's going on with Velo? Why should I be so bullish on Velo? We made a lot of money on Velo, but why? What is going on with this Velo? Why is everyone so super excited about Velo? Why? Well, let me tell you this. I trade Velo, but I'm not bullish on the long term on Velo. Because I think that Velo needs to come back to this gray box. This region's over here. Well, maybe a bit higher. Maybe over here. Maybe over here. Yes. This is where I'll be interested in Velo. So for the ones that are all yelling Velo this, Velo that, I'm not interested in Velo. And you know why I'm not interested in Velo? It's very simple. Velo has got a very low market cap. Let's start with that one. So it has got, the moves up could be very explosive. Because it's just a 100 million market cap. Velo is a block based on financial protocol aimed at promoting borderless, whatever. Okay, whatever. So these guys, this thing could ramp up because, you know, it doesn't take a lot of money to get Velo into this high again. So meaning, if you like Velo and you're following it and you know that there is something brewing over there, we gotta trade it. We gotta put on our indicator. Ta-da! Over here, break above the Indy. This was the entry up. This is take profits. Over here, you add to your bag again, take profits. Over here, the indicator, you buy in again, and so on. And you're just going to travel this thing up. The indicator shows you the way, and you are just traveling this thing up if it wants to go up. If I want to buy it long term, I'll buy it over here. If you want to trade it over here. Just use the damn indicator and just ride it up. I might trade it also. I might even make a trade setup for the team if I see that the volume is very good. The volume at this moment is 16%, so it's pretty decent. So there might be some live over here at Velo. Long term, not interested. You know why? Because the fully diluted market cap is 330. I don't like coins that have got a minimum of a 3x on their market cap. It's just how I think. It's just what I do. It's just what I am. Can we represent you at Singapore? Do you want to go to Singapore, Biggie? I don't know. Well, maybe you should go. You maybe should go. I really don't know. Let me see. What do we got over here? Let me see what we got. I represent people like you. Respect. Thank you, Cronky. Great advice. Thank you for near. Don't forget to smash the like. Thank you, bro. True. Guys, I like it. Bro, you seem genuinely wanting everyone to have gains. I like it. Why wouldn't I? So that's the sick story about this. Why would I not be wanting that everyone from my community and all the retailers that they make sick gains? Why wouldn't I want that? You have to be you have to be very bad. You need to be evil if you wouldn't want that your community and retailers that are struggling in life, that having children, they want to make their children happy, they want to pay for their education, they want to buy them nice things, they want to see the smile on their faces. I will do everything in my power to help those people create and that they can fulfill those dreams, just like I fulfilled my dreams. You know, Unfortunately, there was no one out there to help me, so I did it all by myself. But when I've got all these skills, why wouldn't I share it to make people happy? I just don't know. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close it up. I want to thank you all for joining in. It was a great show. We talked a bit, we explained a bit, some questions. I like these question parts also because these question parts will help you change your mindset, because I know that you guys are all poisoned. Most of the retailers are all poisoned by all those scammy guys out there on social media. So I like these questions, because it's the only way for me to get into your minds, and maybe to break through and make you think differently about crypto, trading, investing, about how the marketing machine works, how they keep making you crazy over and over again, how they manage to make you buy tops over and over again, even when I'm yelling, shouting, get out, sell your bags, they're going to trick you. But you know, step by step we'll get there. Thank you very much all for watching. I really love you guys all. And well, maybe another live stream tomorrow. I don't know yet. I have to decide it. Thanks and bye-bye.